Hello everyone, welcome back to this best DLR set series by Team Prep Zone. Today I am going to bring to everyone a very interesting set, and I'm sure this set is going to be a real challenger for all of you. So this set is referred as the Einstein's riddle, which means if you guys are able to solve this set by yourself, you can be quite confident that you have got some genes of Einstein. So let's just gear up for this very interesting set. And before I show you what the set is, just a very small piece of information for everyone. We have our batch 2 that is starting from April 15. Its registrations are on. It is going to be a very special and a very precise batch for CAT starting from basic till advanced level. So if in case you are facing any issues, these are the feedbacks of the batch, you may want to register to it. Okay, so without any further ado, let us move to the set. The rules of the set are going to be same. You have to pause this video. You have to attempt this set. You have to comment the time taken, whether you were able to solve this set by yourself or not. What is the score? And if you were not able to solve this set by yourself, what was your major learning? Where were you stuck? Okay, and if you're liking this video, I would request you to kindly share it with your friends and increase the learning. Okay, so let us move on with the set. The set looks quite bigger. It has 15 pointers, but let us be very confident. The first rule to this DLR practice is let us get rid of any fear. The bigger a set is, the more the information is, and hence the interesting it gets to solve it. Okay, so this is the learning phase. Abhi, the aim should not be to score as much, but the aim should be to master every kind of difficult sets. Okay, so chalo, let us move on with this set. The set says that there are 5 houses in a row, each of a different color and inhabited by 5 people of different nationalities with different pets, favorite drink and favorite sport. तो यहाँ से मुझे समझ आ रहा है that I am going to have a grid which will have 5 houses in a row, which means 5 अलग-अलग houses होंगे, house 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There has to be different color. There has to be different country because different nationalities here. There has to be different pet. There has to be different drink, and there has to be different sport. So I will have 6 different variables in this question. Okay, so a very typical cat kind of set this is. So be with me while I'm explaining this set. Even if you have solved it by yourself, make sure that you're watching this entire solution, learning from it. Okay, and pay attention to the set. And the set has 15 pieces of information, and then it asks me something: who's the pet of Japanese, which color house, where, etc. etc. So by looking at this information, the first hint and the first clue that I get is I have to map all of these 6 variables amongst themselves, right? And there will be most likely a unique mapping. Hence, I will be able to solve and answer the exact answers for each of these 4 options. Okay? So let us jump on to this set. So I think in the last set, I've advised you that whenever you have more than 2 variables problem, the first step is mention all the variables here. Okay? So I am just going to mention all the variables that we have. So if you read all this information, we know that the variables are going to be what? One is house number because middle house. We know 5 houses here from left to right, which means numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I will just put a house number here. Okay? Say this column is house number. Okay? Then what other variables do I have? Let me just put a color here. ठीक है कि कौन से कलर का हाउस है. दिस इज एन एट्रीब्यूट ऑफ द हाउस. देन इसमें जो बंदा रहता है ही इज फ्रॉम विच कंट्री बेस्ड ऑन द नेशनलिटी. ठीक है, तो ये हो गया कंट्री ऑफ ओरिजिन. देन उसका फेवरेट स्पोर्ट कौन सा है, राइट? और कौन सी इंफॉर्मेशन थी? उसका फेवरेट ड्रिंक कौन सा है एंड उसका फेवरेट पेट कौन सा है, राइट? ये सारी इंफॉर्मेशन थी. डिफरेंट पेट्स, फेवरेट ड्रिंक्स एंड फेवरेट स्पोर्ट. तो मैं यहाँ पे पेट भी डाल देता हूँ. ठीक, यू कैन मेक इट इन एनी डैम order, it will not matter. ठीक है, house number usually is the sequence number. It's an integral value, so I prefer putting integral values in the first column. ठीक है, now I'm just going to read all the sentences and जो affirmative information होगी I would plug them into my table. ठीक है, so let's read with point number 1. The person from England lives in the red house. So I know country जिसका England है. ठीक है, जिसका भी country England है, He lives where? He lives in the red house, which means a color of the house is red. So I will just put all the affirmative information in this table first, okay? And I've used information number one. The person from Spain owns the dog, which means जो स्पेन से है, he owns the dog. तो मैं पेट में डॉग को डाल दूंगा, ठीक है? Coffee is drunk in the greenhouse, ठीक है? Coffee is drunk in the greenhouse. Let's wait because I don't know coffee और ये कहाँ पे. The Russian drinks tea, so I know I have another country का nationality. Like I have another person from a different country that is from Russia. So I will just put a Russia here and he drinks tea. So I'm going to put tea as a part of this drink. ठीक है. The greenhouse is immediately to the right of the White House. This is an extra information which I may want to write here. So I'm saying कि greenhouse is immediately to the right of the White House, which means ये मान लो White House है मेरा, ठीक है? तो white के immediately right में green है. And I had one more information, point number 3, which said कि coffee is drink in the greenhouse, which means greenhouse has to be mapped with coffee. ठीक है? This is coffee. I don't know ये कहाँ पे होगा, so I'm leaving this information for now. The hockey player owns the pet hamster. जिसका भी sport hockey होगा, that will be mapped to hamster. But again, I don't know where can I use this information, so I will leave it for now and I will come back to it later. The football player lives in the yellow house. Again, I don't know football कहाँ पे. I only know अभी country के हिसाब से. ठीक है? So the football player lives in the yellow house. Let's wait. Milk is drunk in the middle house. So which means मेरे पास ये information है. Middle house का क्या meaning है? I have five houses, which means जो भी milk वाला होगा, milk वाला house होगा, which means any house which has a जिसमें जो बंदा है वो उसका favorite drink is milk, that is house number 3. ठीक है? This is house number 3. I will come to this information again. The American lives in the first house on the left. So again, I can see one more information basis the country. So American lives in the first house. तो मैं यहाँ पे house number 1 डाल दूंगा. And I've used this information. Then the table tennis player lives in the house next to the man with the fox. ठीक है? The football player lives next to the house where the horse is kept. Fair. ठीक है? But मुझे अभी नहीं पता कि football player कौन है. The basketball player drinks orange juice. Okay. The Japanese likes baseball. So I have another information of country कि जो भी बंदा जापान से है, he plays baseball. He likes baseball. तो यहाँ पे sport is baseball. ठीक है? So I have used this information as well. Now, what is given to me is that the American lives next to the blue house, which means American का house number was 1. This implies जो house number 2 होगा, इसका color has to be blue. ठीक है? One of the drink is water and one of the pet is monkey. ठीक है? Fair. So I think now I have to just use all of these informations and try to fill this table. Be with me. Try to pay attention to this. ठीक है? So I've said कि जो blue color है that is mapped to 2, which means 1 जो American है उसमें blue color नहीं हो सकता, right? So I will just put a blue का cross here. ठीक है कि यहाँ blue नहीं हो सकता. ठीक है? Now it is given to me कि white and green color has to be consecutive. ठीक है? And मुझे पता है कि number 2 is blue, which means green cannot be 2, right? Because 2 is mapped to blue, which means ये 1 और 2 cannot be white and green. ठीक है? So either white and green will be 3 or 4 or they will be 4 or 5, but they definitely cannot be 1 and 2 because 2 is mapped to blue. So यहाँ से I can clearly say कि यहाँ पे white भी नहीं आ सकता and यहाँ पे green भी नहीं आ सकता because white and green can be either 3 or 4 or 4 or 5. And I know that red is already mapped. So the only color that is left for the country, for the person who is from America is yellow. So I will simply put yellow here. I hope this is clear. Okay. Now I knew, see, you will have to read this information and your reading speed has to be really good so that you can recall ki what is that information that you have read, because you cannot try to put all the values here, else it will become very clumsy and you will find it really hard to figure out which information to use. So the idea is to have a good mental memory which you can at least learn as a part of your RC and VRC tactics. So here I knew that there was one information related to yellow, that the football player lives in the yellow house. And I have already mapped yellow here. So the sport of house number 1 has to be football. and I've used the information number 7 also. I hope this is clear so far. So I think the only thing that is left for house number 1 is the pet and the drink. Let us see if we have by any chance to map the drink as well. So I know tea यहाँ पे हो नहीं सकता. Coffee, I know tea cannot be here, right? Coffee हो नहीं सकता because coffee is actually mapped to color green and here I have a color yellow. ठीक है. Milk is at number 3, so milk cannot come here. ठीक है. And I think that there was one more information about orange juice. That the orange juice was mapped to the person who is playing basketball. But I have a sport of football here. So orange juice यहाँ पे नहीं हो सकता. So the only drink that is left is water, which means the Americans are fortunate or maybe unfortunate enough to only drink water and they do not have any mocktail or any other beverage with them. Okay, so I've mapped water here. So now I think I've used this regarding pet because I don't have any information given, so I cannot map them as of now. Now let us see here. I had another information that the pair is 2 and blue. All right. So it was given that the Americans lives next to the blue house. So I've used this information and I've said that the blue will be mapped to number 2. Okay. Let us see if there is any other information that can be mapped here. Okay. So 2 blue, correct. So let us just go through all the other information that is left and let's figure out which one can be used here. So there was one more information that was given which said the football player, which I have already figured out, right? House number 1 in football. So see, the idea is you will have to remember कि तुमने कौन सी value map कर ली है. So as I have already mapped football, I can use this information number 11 which says the football player lives next to the house where the horse is kept. Now the football was house number 1. It implies जो house number 2 होगा, it has to be mapped with horse. So now I've used information number 11 as well. So let us check where all can I have this combination 2 blue and horse. यहाँ पे हो सकता है 2 blue and horse, correct? यहाँ पे भी हो सकता है because I don't have any value. First में नहीं हो सकता because color red is already there. Second में भी नहीं हो सकता because color of dog is already there. Which means I only have 2 possibilities for placing this particular information. ठीक है. So let us see. So first of all, let us consider कि ये information यहाँ पे आ रही है. ठीक है. यहाँ पे. So I will just assume कि चलो यहाँ पे मैंने assume कर लिया कि this is 2, this is blue. I don't know. I either have this place or this place. So I will just consider this case that I have 2 blue and horse here. ठीक है. If I have 2 blue horse here, I will have to map a drink here. ठीक है. यहाँ पे कौन सी drink आ सकती है? देखते हैं. Let's see. So see, milk यहाँ पे आ नहीं सकता, right? Why? Because milk is mapped to number 3, right? और orange juice यहाँ पे आ नहीं सकता because orange juice is mapped to basketball, right? It was given here कि orange juice is mapped to basketball. ठीक है. So यहाँ पे orange juice भी नहीं आ सकता, right? As per the information number 12. Milk नहीं आ सकता, orange juice नहीं आ सकता, water is already gone, tea is already gone. The information, the only drink that is left is coffee. Coffee हो नहीं सकता because coffee is mapped to drink. So what I have figured is if I map 2 blue and horse with Japan, I will not have any drink for this particular person, which implies that this mapping is wrong. So it implies that 2 blue and horse cannot be mapped here. Okay? This was the conclusion because if we map it, then what comes out is that we don't have any particular person with this drink. Hence, 2 blue horse cannot be mapped here. So the only possibility for 2 blue and horse to be mapped is this particular row with the country of Russia. I hope this is clear so far. Correct. So let us, so now the only information that is left here is the sport. So let us see what sport can I have here. Football and baseball are anyways gone. Basketball हो नहीं सकता because basketball वाला बंदा orange juice पी रहा है, right? So यहाँ पे basketball भी नहीं होगा. कौन सा information बचा? Hockey and table tennis. Hockey वाला जो बंदा है उसका pet कौन सा है? Hamster. But यहाँ पे pet is horse, which means hockey भी यहाँ पे नहीं हो सकता. So here इट हैज टू बी टेबल टेनिस। तो मैंने यहाँ पे टेबल टेनिस डाल दिया। मुझे पता था कि हॉकी हैमस्टर से मैप्ड है, तो हॉकी यहाँ नहीं हो सकता, विच मीन्स हॉकी हैज टू बी हियर एंड दिस पेट हैज टू बी हैमस्टर। मैं यहाँ पे हैमस्टर डाल देता हूँ, ठीक है, विच मीन्स द ओनली स्पोर्ट दैट इज लेफ्ट इज बास्केटबॉल। तो मैं यहाँ पे बास्केटबॉल डाल देता हूँ एंड मैंने सारे स्पोर्ट एंड कंट्री के मैपिंग खत्म कर दिए, ठीक है। बास्केटबॉल वाला बंदा ऑरेंज जूस पीता है, सो आई विल राइट ऑरेंज जूस हियर, ठीक है। आई विल सिंपली से दैट दिस इज ऑरेंज जूस, ठीक है, ओके। और क्या इंफॉर्मेशन मुझे गिवन था, लेट अस सी। टू ब्लू हॉर्स वाली इंफॉर्मेशन आई हैव ऑलरेडी मैप्ड। द हॉकी प्लेयर ओन्स द पेट हैमस्टर, दिस आल्सो आई हैव यूज्ड, ठीक है। लेट अस चेक नाउ। थ्री वाला चीज वाज मैप्ड टू मिल्क, ठीक है। थ्री वाला थिंग वाज मैप्ड टू मिल्क, सो लेट अस चेक कि मिल्क कहाँ पे आ सकता है। मिल्क या तो यहाँ आएगा या फिर मिल्क यहाँ पे आएगा, राइट, ठीक है। यही दो इंफॉर्मेशन बची है। और कौन सी इंफॉर्मेशन है, ग्रीन के साथ इट हैज टू बी कॉफी, राइट। तो यहाँ पे कॉफी हो नहीं सकता बिकॉज यहाँ पे मैपिंग इज रेड, बाकी तीन जूसेस हो चुके हैं, विच मीन्स कॉफी हैज टू बी हियर। अगर यहाँ पे कॉफी हो रहा है, सो द ओनली ड्रिंक दैट इज लेफ्ट इज मिल्क, तो मिल्क यहाँ पे आएगा। अगर यहाँ कॉफी हो रहा है, सो कॉफी के बाजू में कलर हैज टू बी ग्रीन, यहाँ पे ग्रीन कलर आएगा। सो द ओनली कलर दैट इज लेफ्ट इज व्हाइट। आई नो व्हाइट का नंबर इज 3, right, because white is middle number. Sorry, I think what was given was कि milk is the middle one, so milk का number is 3 and not white, my bad. So I will just erase this and I will say कि यार 3 वाला number तो first वाला column होगा, right, ठीक है। So I must have a 3 here. Now as it was given to me कि white and green बचे हैं, right, white and green का mapping बचा है and they have to be in this manner, which means white has to be 4 and green has to be 5. This is the only possibility. So white को मैं 4 कर दूंगा and green को मैं 5 कर दूंगा. I have mapped all the information. The only thing that is left is this particular point. Point number 10. The table tennis player lives in the house next to the man with the fox. तो टेबल टेनिस वाला बंदा है नंबर 2, इसके बाजू में 1 and 3 है। सो 1 and 3 में कहीं एक जगह फॉक्स होना चाहिए। आई नो 3 में हैमस्टर है, सो 1 में फॉक्स होना ही पड़ेगा, ठीक है। सो द ओनली एनिमल दैट इज लेफ्ट इज मंकी, सो आई विल पुट अ मंकी हियर। So I have solved this dreadful set and सारे 5 cross 5 के variables I have figured out. Now let's have a look at the question. The question says which country's person drink milk? Milk England का बंदा पी रहा है, ठीक है। So the answer is England. Which colored house does American belong to? American belongs to yellow colored house, ठीक है। Who is the pet of Japanese? Japanese का pet कौन है? Monkey. So the answer is monkey. Which is the favorite sport of the person staying in house number 2? House number 2 में pet is sport, sorry, sport पूछा है, so the sport is table tennis, right? So I have solved all the 4 questions. See, once you are able to figure out this table, the question becomes very very easy to solve. But you will not be able to solve this table if you try to write all of this information down, तो वो काफी messy हो जाएगा. And if you try to make so many cases, तो क्या होगा, टाइम बहुत ज्यादा लगेगा because there is so much of information in this table. So the learning was, read the question nicely so that you have a mental image of the information that you have just read and then try to process it. Okay? So I hope you have liked and enjoyed solving this set. By the way, if you were able to solve it by yourself, I'm sure you have the genes of Einstein in this particular riddle. So that's all for today. If you have liked it, kindly share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.